In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google Ads display campaign. Start by signing into your Google Ads account. From the dashboard, click New Campaign. Next, choose your campaign objective, or select Create a Campaign Without a Goals guidance if you want more flexibility. Then choose Display as the campaign type. After that, enter your website, give your campaign a name, and configure your locations, languages, budget, and bidding strategy. Now create an ad group by selecting your target audience. You can target users based on demographics, interests, keywords, topics, placements, or audience segments. Next, create your display ad by adding your images, logos, headlines, descriptions, business name, and final URL. Review the ad previews to see how your ads will appear across Google's display network. Finally, review all your campaign settings and click Publish to launch your display campaign. Monitor its performance from the Google Ads dashboard and optimize it as you collect data. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Google Ads display campaign. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.